just enjoying my Christmas dinner.
Where are my boys? Where are my kisses?
Where are my boys? Where are my kisses? Oh!
Right here, Aunt Gertie. Isn't this lovely? All of us gathered for a wonderful meal. I think this is my favorite part of Christmas.
Not the piano! Not my beloved carols!
Right leg, power on.
Right arm, power on.
Left arm, power on.
Head, power on.
Oh, no, you don't. I form the head.
But I'm the leader. The leader is the head.
This is my robot, and I drive.
Then what am I?
You're the left leg.
Left leg? I don't want to be the left leg. Legs are lame.
Would you two hurry up? Smells like celery in here.
Now how am I supposed to get home?
Now how am I supposed to get home? Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't I just take the money back?
Legs, walk forward.
Aye,
Walk forward? Lame. Might I suggest a power kick? Yeah!
Whoa!
Robin, cut it out! Robin, cut it out!
It was a magic spell.
You tricked me.
And now you get to do laundry for the next year, sucker.
Uh-oh. Looks, we have another alert. A creature made of fruit juice and barbecue sauce is terrorizing the city. And is that a jetpack? Sweet! Harold escaped! What do we do? Harold, activating magnetic super suit for movement. Hey! My super suit! And my pump pad!
Arf! Marshall, what are you doing?